In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an invoice in Zoho Books. To get started, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard or home screen so it's easier to follow along. This process is very simple, but it helps to have your invoice file ready on your computer before you begin. That way, the upload will be quick and smooth. Next, go to the left-hand menu and click on Documents. This is the section where Zoho Books lets you store and manage uploaded files, including invoices and other supporting records. If you work with a lot of financial documents, keeping them organized here can make it much easier to find them later. After that, look for the option that says Choose Files to Upload and click it. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to search for the invoice you want to add. Make sure you select the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved in the same folder. Now, find the invoice file on your computer and select it. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you've chosen the right document and that the file is complete and readable. This can help prevent having to upload it again later. Once the file is selected, click Open to begin the upload. Zoho Books will then start transferring the invoice into the Documents section. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may happen almost instantly or take a few extra moments. At this point, wait for the upload to complete. It's important not to close the window or navigate away too quickly while the file is still processing. Let Zoho Books finish the upload fully so the document is saved correctly. When the upload is done, open the uploaded invoice and review it carefully. Check that the document appears clearly and that the details are correct. This is a helpful final check to make sure the right invoice was uploaded and that nothing is missing or unreadable. Finally, save the document in Zoho Books. Saving confirms that the uploaded invoice stays stored in your account and is ready for future reference whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an invoice in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching.